Red dusts, new dawn. The first thing Mara noticed about Mars wasn't the silence, it was the color. Red dust drifted across the horizon like a slow ocean, staining the sky at sunset with shades no painter on Earth had ever mixed. The colony domes shimmered in the distance, fragile bubbles of life pressed against a planet that did not care whether humans survived. They called the settlement Aries 1, but to Mara it felt more like a promise than a place. Every day, the colonists worked to make Mars livable, extracting water from buried ice, growing potatoes in narrow hydroponic trays, sealing cracks the cold tried to claim. Nothing was easy. Every breath depended on machines. Every mistake carried a price. On the 200th day, a dust storm knocked out the main power relay. Alarms blared. Lights dimmed. Panic rippled through the habitat. Mara volunteered to go outside. She stepped into the storm, tethered to the colony by a single line, the wind screaming against her suit. Visibility dropped to almost nothing. Her hands shook not from fear, but from the weight of knowing that if she failed, Aries 1 would become a tomb. She fixed the relay by touch alone. When she returned, exhausted and coated in red dust, the colony erupted in cheers. Someone laughed, someone cried. For the first time since landing, the place felt alive. That night, Mara stood beneath the transparent dome and looked up at the distant blue star of Earth. "We're not conquering Mars," she said softly to no one in particular. "We're learning how to belong." And beneath the alien sky, humanity took its first small step toward becoming a multi-planet species.